Ma'am, I read the textbook and I wrote the question and answer. Question 3 times and the answer 5 times.
Okay, Musiba. Very good. Good.
Ma'am, I also wrote. Ma'am, I
Okay.
also
Yes.
wrote.
Huh?
I also
How?
wrote.
I also wrote, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Okay.
also wrote.
So today we can do one thing. Uh, already I sent no page number 114 also. Textbook already I sent this case at the page number 1 Shabdartha and 1, 2, 3, 4 one word question also. Did you get that? That page also?
Yes, ma'am, I got.
Not you other. What about others? Did you check? Okay, Vaiga, got it now? Means सोनू को कहाँ तारे साफ दिखाई दे रहे थे like that.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
also,
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, we got.
That
ma'am,
page.
ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, that 3 question we discuss in the class itself.
That page did you get?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Oh, today we can do one thing. So first we'll finish that chapters almost all over. And I think only 113 page, last page. After that we can do first. No, nothing is there important from there. After that, today I will give a question answer. So long question, long two sentence or 3 sentence question answer. That question answer in the class itself, in the period itself. Now we will discuss. We can do one thing first. We can discuss the question answer. And when I will write on the board, I will write on the board. So you write that question answer now in your rough book, and we will explain, and we will explain the meaning, everything. Okay. After that, I will send notes through WhatsApp. WhatsApp notes I will send. That note you write in your note. Okay. Now, if you can write properly, you write this note copy into notes. Anyway, now you write in your rough book. That is better. But you can write and study. And when meaning also you can write it there itself. Clear now? Huh? Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, so the textbook reading.
Textbook.
Reading.
And the textbook reading we can conduct. Okay. Yes. So can finish that chapter very fast. No problem. Page number 113. Last class हमने सीखा मौसी ने कहा यस गांव में हवा साफ होने से आसमान गहरा नीला दिखता है जबकि शहर में हवा में अधिक गंदगी मिली होने से आसमान पीलापन लिए दिखता है. एक्चुअली आसमान की रंग क्या है? काला
Kala.
रंग. Clear? Nee, page number 113. You can finish that chapter. It's nothing important there. So, 113. Sonu, samach gaya mausi. Samach gaya mausi. Okay, I understood. शहर में यह पर्दा मैला होता है. मैला meaning dirty. मैला meaning dirty. मैला dirty. मैला dirty. Yes. इसलिए हमें आकाश पीला लगता है. Last class we told that same thing. One thing. Yes. Next. मैला. मैला. मैला meaning dirty. Yes. Next one. इसलिए हमें आकाश पीला लगता है. यहाँ पर्दा साफ है. साफ meaning साफ.
Clean.
Clean.
यहाँ पर्दा साफ. किधर साफ?
Ma'am,
गाँव में.
गांव में. वेरी गुड. यस. इसलिए यहाँ आकाश नीला लगता है जबकि वास्तव में काला. Now I told that.
Yes, ma'am.
मौसी, वाह सोनू, तुम तो एक ही दिन में बहुत समझदार हो गए. So you are very clever. Next. सोनू मौसी अपने समझाया कि इतनी अच्छी तरह है. You explain in a good manner. मगर एक बात और समझाइए. ये हम इतने सारे तारे हैं और शहर में कम ऐसा क्यों? Then again he has one doubt. गांव में तारा क्या कम और ज्यादा?
ज्यादा है.
ज्यादा. गांव शहर में तारा कम
कम
है. क्यों?
कम है.
He's thinking like that. Then yeah, next one मौसी. मेरे समझदार सोनू. समझदार meaning clever सोनू. अब तुम समझाओगे. Now you explain. I can't explain. So many times she explains. What is the reason? Actually आसमान में तारा बराबर है, equal. आसमान में each place, each जगह तारा equal. But शहर में we can't see, गांव में we can see. क्यों? पर्दा के कारण. Any other reason? इसलिए मौसी told मेरे समझदार सोनू. अब तुम समझाओगे. Now you explain. I fed up. Then सोनू. Oh, समझ गई मौसी, समझ गई मौसी. Oh, understood. हर जगह, underline that one. हर जगह उतने ही तारे हैं. Everywhere equal. Which one? Stars. अदन last one word question that one. शहर में 114 शहर में गांव की तुलना में कितने तारे हैं? बहुत कम, अधिक, बहुत अधिक, बराबर. आंसर बराबर. बराबर meaning equal.
Barabar means equal.
Equal. So please underline. हर जगह उतने ही तारे हैं. Everywhere तारा will be equal.
Okay,
जो रात में या तो सुंदर चमकते. चमकते meaning shiny. चमकते meaning shiny. Good meaning self. Good self. Good meaning self. Good चमकते. या सूरज की रोशनी से. क्यों? सूरज की रोशनी. सूरज की रोशनी meaning sunlight.
Ma'am, sunlight.
Yes. Next, फर्क है. फर्क meaning भेद. Difference. तो बस पर्दे का. What is the reason? पर्दा.
पर्दा है.
पर्दा. So, इसलिए we can see that difference शहर और गाँव. Clear. Next one, मौसी और सोनू दोनों हंस पड़ते हैं. सोनू मौसी के साथ छत से उतरकर नीचे जाता है. नानी जी के हाथ का बना गरम नाश्ता करने. Yes. Okay. And now, so page number 114 ले last one word question. शहर में गाँव की तुलना में कितने तारे हैं? Answer बराबर. Barabar. Okay. Now take your rough book. I will give 2 sentence, 3 sentence question. That in the period when you write one time in your rough book, that time itself we can study by heart that. Clear now? Okay. Don't waste time for that study. Now itself, when I am writing each word, I will explain. You write in your rough book, word meaning, everything you write, we can study now itself. Clear now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now start. Uttar likho.
Ma'am, we have to write the answer. Ma'am, uttar likho means we have to write the answer.
Kya mona?
Ma'am, you told that uttar likho, so we have to make the answers.
I will write everything here now. Okay. Yes. Uttar likho. If you are writing without spelling mistake, that you can copy in the notes. Otherwise, I will send it through WhatsApp. Okay. First question. Sonu शहर से गांव की यात्रा में क्यों नहीं देखा? क्यों नहीं देखा? He is not tired when he's traveling.
Ma'am,
Ah.
takka, ma'am, is it
From
takka means
Town से down to गांव.
Ma'am, what is the last word?
धक्का. नहीं, क्यों नहीं? Why he's not tired? धक्का.
Ma'am, that means
धक्का means
ta.
tired.
Is it the
Takka.
first letter ta?
धक्का धा. ida. Dha.
Oh, that. Okay.
Yes. धक्का. Question. This question I wrote from textbook question 115. Page 115. First question. Page 115. First question. Yes. Right answer.
Ma'am, that answer we completed.
Ah?
That answer we wrote in already in the textbook.
Already. Anyway, we can, some students, once more we can write. Yes. Clear? धक्का. उत्तर लिखो. उत्तर क्या है? गांव की हवा में सोनू शहर से गांव की यात्रा में नहीं, इसलिए नहीं धक्का. Write like that. सोनू शहर से गांव की यात्रा में इसलिए नहीं. All should write now.
Ma'am, we can write the textbook answer.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we write the textbook answer?
Textbook itself.
No. We can write the answer from the textbook. Means you already told an answer to write in the textbook. That answer we can write.
Okay, but you write this one. Any?
Ma'am, I started.
इसलिए नहीं धक्का क्योंकि लेफ्ट साइड की क्योंकि गांव की हवा में प्रदूषण गांव की हवा में प्रदूषण कम और ताजगी ज्यादा. Yes. Up to there from the question you copy. सोनू शहर से गांव की यात्रा में इसलिए क्यों के स्थान पर what will write? इसलिए. Okay. इसलिए नहीं धक्का क्योंकि meaning because क्योंकि गांव की हवा में what is the meaning हवा? Air. हवा air में meaning in. प्रदूषण meaning क्या है? Pollution.
Pollution.
प्रदूषण क्या है? Pollution.
Pollution.
Yes. Pradushan, pollution. Come meaning
Ma'am, less.
less. और तासगी
Ma'am,
meaning
pure air.
Pure.
Fresh air. Fresh.
fresh.
Ma'am, fresh air.
Fresh. ताजगी. ज्यादा meaning
Ma'am, more.
Now say, all of you say, read that 3 times. Kyonki, from here, no, from that enough. Kyonki, गाँव की हवा में प्रदूषण कम और ताजगी ज्यादा थी. All of you now itself you study गाँव की हवा में प्रदूषण कम और ताजगी ज्यादा थी. Once more say गाँव की हवा में प्रदूषण कम और meaning and ताजगी ज्यादा थी. इसलिए सोनू शहर से गाँव की यात्रा में नहीं देखा. That you can copy from the question itself. Okay. So now itself say गाँव की हवा में
प्रदूषण कम और ताजगी ज्यादा थी.
Once more say
ज्यादा थी.
हवा में
हवा में प्रदूषण कम और ताजगी ज्यादा थी.
Once more say गाँव की हवा में
प्रदूषण कम और ताजगी ज्यादा थी.
Once more say
गाँव की हवा में प्रदूषण कम और ताजगी ज्यादा थी.
So you will get to fill in the blanks. One word questions from the this answer. So you study. Example. गाँव की हवा में dash कम और dash ज्यादा थी.
मैम
प्रदूषण कम और ताजगी ज्यादा थी.
So be careful. You study this one.
Ma'am, is the exam MCQ?
MCQ questions like they will come.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you understand? Example, I will give it. गाँव की हवा में dash कम और dash ज्यादा थी.
प्रदूषण कम और
ताजगी ज्यादा थी.
प्रदूषण और ताजगी. I will give हवा और any other. Like that, I will give option.
मैम लाइक प्रदूषण एंड ताजगी और कम और ज्यादा like that.
Like that option will give. So that you study this questions.
Ma'am, ma'am, half of the answer is there in the question only.
Yes. Clear. Okay.
Ma'am, it's notes. Ma'am, it's notes. Notes. Ma'am, it's notes.
Notes. Question answer.
Yes, we should write in the paper.
Yes. Next one. Okay, first question finish.
Ma'am, we have to write the English meanings also. We have to write the English meanings also.
You write English meaning also, no problem. Otherwise, how can study? Second question. शहर में प्रदूषण के क्या-क्या कारण हो सकता है? शहर में प्रदूषण के कारण प्रदूषण के सेकंड क्वेश्चन राइट शहर में सेकंड क्वेश्चन प्रदूषण के क्या कारण हो सकते पेज नंबर 115 you copy from there yes उत्तर
Ma'am, the question.
so the full blank sometime will sometime will happen like this okay enough yes next one शहर में प्रदूषण के क्या क्या कारण हो सकते हैं वन this one okay I will write प्रदूषण के शहर में प्रदूषण के कारण शहर में प्रदूषण के कारण है राइट गाड़ियों और कारखानों गाड़ियों what is the meaning गाड़ियों
Vehicles, ma'am.
गाड़ियों और कारखानों meaning company
Means like factories, smoke.
कारखानों से उड़ता धुआं what is the meaning धुआं
Ma'am, smoke.
Pollution of the air.
smoke
Ma'am, कारखानों means you mean the factory. Ma'am, this कारखानों means factories.
कारखानों meaning company I will write here first धुआं और गाड़ियों का शोर आदि yes धुआं meaning smoke कारखानों meaning company गाड़ियों का शोर meaning sound
Ma'am, can you read the last word?
I will write शहर में प्रदूषण के क्या क्या कारण हो सकता है कारण what is the meaning कारण reason
reason.
शहर में
reason.
प्रदूषण के कारण है गाड़ियों meaning vehicle गाड़ियों
Vehicles.
और कारखानों meaning company से meaning from उड़ते meaning coming उड़ता would meaning stand up or wake up like that. That's meaning here udta
Ma'am, like
uyarunna
going up
yes
the smoke.
udta dhuvam. You see a long pipe from they are keeping one long pipe.
Yes, ma'am,
We are
yes.
seeing that picture.
Yes.
udta dhuvam meaning smoke.
Ma'am, smoke.
गाड़ियों का शोर meaning
Sound. Big
Sound.
Noise.
से गाड़ियों और कारखानों से meaning from the company or vehicle उड़ता meaning
I'm going up.
here
Fly.
yes उड़ता धुआं meaning smoke और गाड़ियों का शोर meaning
Ma'am,
sound.
noise pollution.
Yes.
The sound and all making.
प्रदूषण का कारण बताओ
गाड़ियों और कारखानों से उड़ता धुआं और
गाड़ियों
का शोर
आदि. Yes. Now study once more. प्रदूषण का कारण है गाड़ियों
और कारखानों का उड़ता धुआं और गाड़ियों का शोर आदि.
So multiple choice ले you will get only maybe two option. Which one? गाड़ियों का शोर और कारखानों से उड़ता धुआं और गाड़ियों से उड़ता धुआं. But this full sentence you should familiar that. Clear now? Like that you will get option.
Ma'am, I didn't understand. Can you say it once again?
So I will ask question. शहर में प्रदूषण के कारण क्या है? Okay. Option I will get. गाड़ियों और कारखानों से उड़ता धुआं. One correct option I will give. Otherwise I will give one another option. गाड़ियों का शोर.
Ma'am, but we can only choose one option.
Huh?
Both are right, so which option we will choose?
Like that question I will give.
Oh, like that.
Yes.
Ma'am,
So don't worry. In the
both
revision
will
time
come.
we can
Ma'am,
do
both
that.
option will
Anyway,
come.
now you study. Revision time we will discuss about the question. Once more say, do you clear now this both the questions?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Meaning
Ma'am, can you
clear?
show about? Yes. It is clear.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes. Not finished.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes. Seba.
Ma'am, you said that you will give the options like that, but the two options are correct. So we will press what?
No, that I didn't give. One option.
Only one
correct.
option you will give.
No, don't worry about that. Revision time I will explain that. Now you study.
Thank you.
Now you study.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am, finished.
Some students never didn't study. They will think a multiple choice question. So no need to study this.
Yes, ma'am, they will do.
Yes. That's why I told now itself. I know your character very well. You will study only one word question.
Ma'am,
You
not
think
only as
how
all
ma'am
students.
can give a one word question? Ma'am will give only direct question. No.
No need
Okay.
to study. all
That's
the
why
way.
I am explaining each word meaning. You study that. That question I will give from this two sentence questions. Clear now? Okay. So once more, we can explain. You try to. Sorry, sir, I will stop this. Did you finish that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
completed.
So, I will ask a question. सोनू शहर से गांव की यात्रा में क्यों नहीं धक्का? Alisha, say your own words.
What is the question?
सोनू शहर से गांव की यात्रा में नहीं धक्का. Only you say only that content only. No need full explain.
Can I?
What you understand?
Can I, ma'am?
Alisha? What is the reason? कारण क्या है?
Question.
सोनू शहर से गांव की यात्रा में क्यों नहीं धक्का?
प्रदूषण और
प्रदूषण. वेरी गुड. प्रदूषण. अच्छा, one sentence you can say. गांव में.
Ma'am, can I?
गांव में प्रदूषण कम है. At this you say Alisha like one sentence. इसलिए जोनू नहीं धक्का. That is your own words. You can write now, Alisha.
Yes,
Huh? You didn't listen in the class. You didn't read that properly. That's why. Vaiga, बताओ.
ओके मैम. गांव की हवा में प्रदूषण कम और ताजगी ज्यादा थी.
इसलिए जोनू नहीं धक्का. Very good. Yes, okay. Zeba.
क्योंकि गांव में प्रदूषण कम और ताजगी ज्यादा है, इसलिए नहीं.
Only 1, 2, 3 sentences that you try to write your own words. No need study by heart. Don't study by heart. Try to write your own words. गीतिका बताओ.
गांव की हवा में प्रदूषण कम और ताजगी ज्यादा थी.
Very good. Only that. Auzai Bachchan.
गांव की हवा में प्रदूषण कम और ताजगी ज्यादा थी.
Only that. Yes, very good. Good. One question answer finish. Next one. शहर में प्रदूषण के क्या क्या कारण हो सकते हैं? Aldous.
मैम, शहर में कारखानों और गाड़ियों से उड़ता धुआं और गाड़ियों से शोर, गाड़ियों का शोर आदि.
Yes, आदि meaning etc. Very good. Sion. Very good. Sion. प्रदूषण का कारण बताओ. बताओ. No. Ananya. Yes. Ananya. बताओ.
मैम, गाड़ियों और कारखानों में उड़ता हुआ धुआं और गाड़ियों का शोर आदि.
Yes, very good, Ananya. So only this study in this class itself. Yes, Seba, you got a chance. Now other students. Anlin, प्रदूषण का कारण बताओ. No.
शहर में प्रदूषण को कारण हो गाड़ियों और कारखानों और
कंपनी
और गाड़ियों का शोर आदि.
Vrissa. Who is that Vrissa?
It's me.
What is your name? Please pronounce.
Vrissa.
Ma'am, I have some issues.
Vrissa.
Yes, ma'am.
Vrissa, बताओ.
शहर में प्रदूषण के कारण है गाड़ियों और कारखानों से उड़ता धुआं और
गाड़ियों का
शोर आदि.
Very good. So now 2 questions are finished. Devaganga, बताओ. देवगंगा, बताओ. No. Yes. No, it's no. Don't worry. Page number 115. 1, 2, 3. Fourth question. Check that. So I think no time for writing. I will explain that. सोनू को शहर में तारे कम नजर आता है जीइंग लेस कम नजर आता है जीइंग लेस गांव में अधिक गांव में सीइंग मोर कारण बताओ
Ma'am, which is the which is the question?
yes
Ma'am, question which question? Third question. Ma'am, third question.
oh mone Aldous louder.
Ma'am, is it third question? Third question.
No, fourth question page number 115 fourth question page number 115 fourth question so no need question write answer. Will you write answer?
Ma'am, I didn't understand the question. Can you say the meaning of that question?
Third
The
question
meaning
no need.
No, ma'am, the meaning.
Yes. सोनू को शहर में तारे कम नजर आता है शहर में meaning in the town तारे meaning stars कम नजर आता है seeing very less. Clear?
Okay.
Yes. और गांव में अधिक the village seeing more. कारण बताओ कारण क्या है गांव में हवा साफ होने से आसमान गहरा नीला दिखता है और साफ दिखता है शहर में हवा में अधिक गंदगी मिली होने से आसमान पीलापन लिए दिखता है और अधिक नहीं दिखता है. Only that is the answer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So how much, when will 45 now?
Yes, ma'am, 10:45.
Yes,
Only
ma'am.
2 minutes.
10:45. So you
One
write
more minute.
these two question answer.
2 question
Clear
answers.
now?
1 and 2. Yes. We will
Then I
study,
will
ma'am.
send the notes.
Ma'am, so the 2 questions only.
Yes?
Or these 2 questions which we write now.
Yes.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
okay. So I will take attendance. Abhinav? So not Malayalam students notes this.
Ma'am, Abhinav is in our Hindi class only.
Hindi class.
Yes, he is there.
Yes, ma'am, she's there.
Present.
Abhyuday?
Present, ma'am.
Andlia? Amaya? Amita?
Stay. Bye.
Okay,
Dhanyawad.
bye-bye. I did
Dhanyawad, ma'am.
Dhanyawad, ma'am.